Hello to everyone. Please make subscribe, like and share for more tricks about this video. So today I am going to show you 15 amazing shortcuts you aren't using. Maybe your friend, or it can be you, is searching, but screen is full of information. And the finger don't know where you can click on the keyboard. Like for instance, try Sir. Who is Sir? I am Cortana, and you don't know to write. So your friend is simply a whiz when it comes to hotkeys. So it can be you. So what are many skills every computer scientist must know? Number 1, create a virtual desktop. Imagine that you are working with some project and having a big document so that you want to minimize all of this document. It will require you to maximize all of this document so that the screen can be clear. So just press Windows key plus Control plus D or Control plus Up when we are using Mac. Control Windows and D will put on new screen. Number 2, switch between virtual desktops. Where is all that precision work? Is it gone forever? Or it is hiding? To get back, press Windows key plus Control or Control key when we are using Mac computer. When you want to close, you will write Windows key plus Control plus F4 option key or X when you want to close the desktops. Next, number 3, return to the desktop from apps. If you have many apps which are opening in a desktop, and so you want to minimize so that you can get the main one. Instead, you can minimize the all of one. You push Windows key plus M so that you minimize all of them at all. When you want to come it back, Windows key plus comma or Command plus F3. Number 4, open an app from the taskbar. If you want much apps on the screen and consider them on your taskbar, you will use the following combination: Windows key plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until the number you want. Each number will be representing each application on the desktops. I am pretty sure Mac users are quite content with Macs aware some app navigations. Next, number 5, split screen between 2 apps. So you want to open the word or you want many words. So you will open Windows plus back arrow or forward arrow so that it will show the screen on multiple desktops. Next, number 6, switch apps. There is several ways you can switch off your desktops. So you can use Control plus Alt plus Tab. So it will show you all apps which are running on the computer. Control Alt plus Tab. For Mac, use Control plus Tab. Number 7, program management and troubleshooting. Listen carefully, you will want to remember this one. And it does not work on the screen, even or crashed. So to avoid this one, so you will click on Control plus Shift plus Escape. Control option plus Escape when you are using Macs. It is not the same as losing all your data from all of them. Next, number 8, Open File Explorer. None of your apps which need so information. So some of them are listed on the computer. There is a quick, convenient way to do this. Press Windows key plus E to open the Windows Explorer. Next, number 9. Use the magnifier. You can be having the computer, but you need to see the big size of the image or to see it clearly. So enhance the image, I need 10x zoom. So you can click on Windows key, combine with plus or. So this for plus it is for zoom, negative it is for minimize. So you see that this is zoom magnifier. Next, number 10. Take screenshots. Take screenshot, you will click on Control plus print screen. Windows key plus print screen. This will take the screenshot. Command Mac, use Command plus Shift plus 3. If you push 4 instead of 3, you will be taking 4. Next, number 11. Use Action Center. Set up Bluetooth, connect with devices with the PC. Turn notification on or off. Many other functions are available in one place called Action Center. To open it, just press Windows key plus A. Windows key plus A. Next, number 12. Access the settings. If you want more tricks or the settings, just you will click on Windows key plus I to enter in the settings. Next, number 13. Talk to Cortana or Siri. So you can use this device to connect to. Nowadays, computer come with a personal assistant. You can call them up with just one touch. To open a Cortana on Windows, press Windows key plus C. Command plus space on the Mac. Hi, sir. Next, number 14. Use the Windows game bar. Maybe you may be working with this desktop and the time you want to relax with this game. That exciting moment when you win. You and your friend had a hilarious exchange or epic battle. You have everything you need right in the game bar feature on your PC. And you can bring it just by click on Windows key plus G. Windows key plus G, this is what bring this one. Or you can spring by Windows key Alt plus B. Automatic player. Next, number 15. Lock down your PC. Let's say you shut down your computer or you have to leave your computer by you doing some exercise or by writing some message. But you don't want anyone to access your computer. If you suddenly need to step away from the computer, you can quickly lock your user profile. Just click on Windows key plus lock screen. Windows key plus L, which is lock the screen. Next, which hotkeys make your time on the computer smoother and faster? Let everybody know down in the comment. If you like this video, share to your friend and make subscribe so that you will get another